Zebras, Dana here. I think of things at the most random times, and of course usually it's when I've got the dashboard window, whatever you want to call it, in front of me. So while I'm at a stop, well actually I'm parked, but while I'm sitting here, I just wanted to share something that just happened to me. As some of you may know or may not know, I do work a full-time job, and I also do Pink Zebra, and I spend quite a few hours every week on Pink Zebra because I have an ultimate goal in mind. So anyway, sometimes I feel like I'm burning the candle at both ends. And for example, I'm sure moms, and I am a mom too, so I've got that going for me. But moms with, kids that maybe you're homeschooling or whatever it is, you can feel like sometimes, oh my gosh, I just don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. My message today, my husband made it very clear to me when I sent him an email or a text message and said, it was a great meeting. I'm glad I went. Whatever else I said, but he knows I've been really stressed out lately because I've just been really putting in the hours and doing a lot of things and going in a lot of different directions. And he texted back and said, that's great, honey. Just keep in mind what our end goal is, because that's what we're working toward. And I thought, oh my gosh, okay, when you take it back to that and make it that simple, it is so true. I have a goal, I'm working towards that goal, and I'm going to do what I got to do to get there. And my message to everybody today is, when you're having a frustrating day or you think, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Reach out to somebody, get some positive feedback, call me. I certainly don't mind, but keep working towards that goal that you've set for yourself. Goals are so important, and you just want to stay focused and look for that long-term opportunity because it's there. We are in Pink Zebra right now, perfect timing, so many opportunities ahead of us, so don't lose focus on what your goal is. And if you haven't written a goal down, please do, and if you need help with that, reach out to me because I'm happy to help. All right, everybody have a great day. Thanks.